Students, we are discussing the different phases of mergers and acquisition, and we talked about a 4 stages model. Now, in each of the stages of the integration of during a merger and acquisition, we will be concerned about the HR issues that take place in each of the phase. So you know that there are 4 phases: pre-M&A phase, due diligence phase, integration planning phase, and implementation phase. We are going to look at the HR implications in the pre-M&A phase. So this is the model in which you can see that the firm is growing stepwise over the different phases, and we will be discussing about the HR implications in the pre-M&A phase. You know that pre-M&A phase is the phase in which you are screening alternative partners. All right, so in the pre-M&A phase, the HR activities or the HR challenges would be involved in that particular stage are number 1, identification of HR related issues. So आप इस चीज़ को identify करते हैं कि किस किस्म के HR issues हो सकते हैं. Staffing, labor आपको आसानी से available है, skilled workers आपको आसानी से available हैं, लोगों का knowledge pool इस तरह का है. For example, कई जगहों पर ह्यूमन कैपिटल ही अवेलेबल नहीं होता, ह्यूमन स्किल्स ही अवेलेबल नहीं होती कि आप उस तरह की इंडस्ट्री वहाँ पर लेकर जा सकें. सो व्हाट डिफरेंट HR रिलेटेड इश्यूज कि आपको स्टाफिंग करने में मसला हो सकता है. फिर ये कि ये पॉसिबिलिटी है कि अगर आप डेवलपिंग कंट्री से किसी डेवलप कंट्री में जाना चाह रहे हैं तो डेवलप कंट्रीज में पेज जो हैं वो बहुत हाई होती हैं. तो अगर आपने लोगों को अपनी डेवलपिंग कंट्री के स्टैंडर्ड्स के मुताबिक अगर आप पे करेंगे तो कोई भी नहीं आएगा आपके पास. सो पेमेंट कैसे करनी है आपने, कॉम्पनसेशन कैसे करनी है, और क्या चैलेंजेस हो सकते हैं, किस किस्म के इश्यूज हो सकते हैं, ये सब चीज़ें आप इस pre-M&A फेज के अंदर आइडेंटिफाई करेंगे. देन अकॉर्डिंगली HR से रिलेटेड यू विल प्लान फॉर ड्यू डिलिजेंस. सो यू विल बी looking at different aspects के जिनके ऊपर आपको due diligence activities करने की ज़रूरत है. So what are the different types of aspects of HR? So whether you have to plan about the training of your employees or the cultural issues of your employees or about security needs of the of your employees. For example, if you're going to a country which is a victim of terrorism, particularly in case of Pakistan, if multinationals are coming from outside, they are really concerned about the security issues of their personnel and how they are going to make sure that they remain safe and secure in their in a country which is being affected by such kind of dynamics. It's very much relevant for Pakistani environment, sadly, but right now it is. I hope, and all of us, we hope that we are going to get out of that. Then assessing people in that particular phase, when you're looking for alternatives, you will be assessing different type of people, and you would be looking for prospective managers, you would be looking for prospective leadership, you would be looking for people who can run your company. Then you would be thinking about working out the organizational and cultural fit, how you will structure both the organizations. अगर एक organization में lean structure है, एक में tall structure है, एक में organic structure है, दूसरे में mechanistic structure है, एक में bureaucratic structure है, दूसरे में informal structure है, तो आपने इन दोनों का mix कैसे करना है, इनको integrate कैसे करना है, या ये possible भी हो सकता है कि आप दो starkingly different cultures को, organizational structures को आपस में mix कर सकें. तो आपने ये देखना है कि आपका organizational structure और कल्चर आपस में फिट हो सकता है या नहीं. Then you would be concerned about forming the M&A steering team. So who would be the fit people to steer your organization into this very challenging task of merger and acquisition? So who is going to be the member of your steering team that is going to define how you are able to manage the entire process? And then educating the team on the HR implications. So you need to educate your personnel how they are going to manage the HR of the people of the two companies who are coming together. So in this phase, you will be actually planning out the fit of people coming together in your organization. So that is that are the basic activities of HR in the pre-M&A phase.